Hello everyone, welcome to AnimalByte. Today, let's introduce the Chinese Crested Tern. Known as the mythical bird, the Chinese Crested Tern is a graceful seabird with a light gray back, a white belly, and white undersides to its wings. Its most distinctive features are the black crested feathers on its head and its orange-yellow bill tipped with black. These birds mainly inhabit islands, sandbars, and intertidal zones, often appearing in flocks and sometimes mingling with other tern species. During the breeding season, they form small colonies on islands, building their nests on open ground. The Chinese Crested Tern was once thought to be extinct due to habitat loss and egg poaching. However, in 2000, a small population was rediscovered along the southeastern coast of China in Zhejiang province. Since then, both government and community efforts have launched a series of conservation initiatives to protect this rare species. Measures include establishing protected areas, restricting human activities, monitoring breeding activities, and using methods to attract the terns to safe nesting sites. These efforts have successfully brought the mythical bird back from the brink of extinction. Today, in addition to their regular breeding islands, we're thrilled to see these beautiful seabirds appearing in more coastal provinces, showing that the terns themselves are actively dispersing and migrating. While these conservation efforts have helped slow the population decline, the Chinese Crested Tern remains critically endangered, with very few individuals left. Continued protection and conservation efforts are still urgently needed.